your phone to sing your favorite tone whenever you get a WhatsApp, Instagram, or email notification. Whether you're using a Samsung like this S22 Ultra or a Tecno, Infinix, any or even iPhone, this tutorial is for you. Stay tuned because I'll show you how to set custom notification sounds for each app on your specific phone. Even if you don't have a Samsung, don't scroll away. I've grouped the steps for each brand so you will find yours. Let's make your phone truly yours. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more smartphone tips. Alright, let's start with Samsung Galaxy devices. You open settings, and you tap on apps, and you select the app you want to customize. For example, WhatsApp here, WhatsApp, you tap it, and you tap notifications here, and you tap notifications categories, this one. But if you don't see these notification categories, you first will have to go back to settings. You go back to settings and you go to notifications here, and you go to advanced settings, and from here you will see the manage notification categories for each app, and you toggle it on, and then you can. So after you've toggled it on, after you follow the steps to toggle on notification category, then it will show here, and you will tap notification categories, and you will choose the type of notification you want to change, like message notification. So you can tap the message notification and tap sound. Here it says sound, and pick a custom sound from your list or add a new one. You can select any, if you want, anytime you get a WhatsApp message, your sound to sound like that or to sound like this. This is where you change that. Okay, so this way you can know instantly if it's an important message without even unlocking your phone. And now for Samsung, for Tecno, Infinix, and similar Android phones, you tap settings, you tap apps and notifications, or we simply say apps. You select the app you want, like Instagram, WhatsApp, and you tap notifications. Tap on a specific notification type if available. Tap sound and choose preferred tone. Good to know. On some Tecno and Infinix models, you might need to first go into app info and then manage notifications to find sound settings. For OnePlus and similar Android phones, go to settings, app and notifications, see all apps, and choose your app. Example, Gmail. Tap notifications, tap notification category. If you selected email, you might have something like email or promotions. It groups them like that. And you select sound and pick your favorite tone. OnePlus also lets you assign different sounds for different types of notification within the same app. Super handy. Now for iPhone users, go to settings, scroll down and select the app, like messages, WhatsApp, or whatever. Tap notifications, tap sounds, and choose a different tone. Not all third-party apps allow full custom sound changes on iPhone unless the app itself offers that option inside its own settings. And that's it. Now you can make every app sound unique to you. No more confusing buzzes. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy smartphone tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want me to show you how to set different ringtones for different contacts too. See you in the next one.